Comedian Kunal Kamra has put out a statement, in fact an elaborate statement, and refusing to apologize despite the vandalism that happened. In fact, he's gone on further to say it's unfair to target the comedy club where he performed for my joke. The comedy club, the venue, which was vandalized by the Shiv Sena workers and supporters of Eknath Shinde, to which Kunal Kamra says that the venue is not responsible for my comedy. Will the law be fair for vandals? He says, I'm ready to cooperate with the law, but will the law be fair against those who vandalized the venue? Kunal Kamra also adding, making a joke on the leader is not illegal. He's also said that he is not going to back down. He's not going to apologize on that. But remember, for now, this is going to be possibly will become further trouble for Kunal Kamra. I want to bring in my colleague Ritwik Bhalekar for the latest on that. Ritwik, good morning. Tell us more about the statement that in fact runs about 4 pages by Kunal Kamra. He shared it on his social media site. What are the contents?
Yes, very good morning, Pooja. So, yesterday night when Kunal Kamra, after a row over his stand-up on Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, he has refused to apologize. But at the same time, CM Devendra Fadnavis yesterday has categorically said that such gigs or such humor will not be accepted, which infringes or encroaches anyone else's freedom. And Maharashtra government is planning to take strictest action against such stand-up comedians. Even Samay Rana was summoned by the police, and he had just appeared yesterday and had a 6-long-hour investigation. Now we need to see that what Kunal Kamra would be facing, because he had clearly refused to apologize, and we need to see that what action Maharashtra government will be taking against him.
Stay on with me, Ritwik, because is this about simply creative content, freedom of expression, to have a political satire, even if it may seem inappropriate and offensive to the supporters? But for now, is it also as much about a certain responsibility on the shoulders of the content creators? Here's what has happened. The comic Kunal Kamra has ignited a fresh controversy. Maharashtra clearly has been in the headlines for the past few days with regard to how much of creative content or its freedom of expression is allowed, and the vandalism in response, irrespective of the incidents that have happened. This time, the stand-up comedian Kamra's joke against what appeared to be Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has led to full-on vandalism at the venue where he had performed. He has now issued a statement. Kamra is refusing to apologize for the comments. He's saying he said nothing wrong. Satire against a leader is not illegal, and therefore he's saying while he'll cooperate with the investigators and with regard to the law, but will the law be same against the vandals who vandalized the venue in response to what appeared to be a certain satire? Now, the Shiv Sena party is criticized Kamra sharply. They are saying it's not just Kunal Kamra or his stand-up show. They are alleging that there was a full-on nexus between the comedian and Uddhav Thackeray, that he was made to say what he did. As the controversy intensifies, authorities have revealed that Kamra's call records could be investigated. His bank accounts could be scrutinized to find out if someone else orchestrated this against Shinde. Meanwhile, between Mahayuti and Mahavikas Aghadi, it's a full-on showdown. Angry Shiv Sena workers, remember, had vandalized the venue. This is where UBT Sena is charging against the Mahayuti.
Freedom of speech and expression is subject to reasonable restrictions in the country, such as public order, decency and morality, incitement of an offense, defamation, contempt of court, sovereignty, security of the state. Therefore, uttering words which may be against public order, incite offences, and be defamatory in nature is definitely not freedom of speech and expression, and we need to definitely introspect upon what and where comedy is going today.
कामरा है तो ये मतलब चापड़ आदमी है, तो मतलब इन्होंने मतलब इसी तरह का वीडियो करना ये बात अच्छी नहीं। अगर वो गाने वाला है तो अगर वो कलाकार है तो उन्होंने किसकी निंदा करने का गाना नहीं गाना चाहिए। ये लफड़े में उन्होंने नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए। वो एनसीबी में फूट हुई और शिवसेना में फूट हुई, कौन गद्दार है कौन गद्दार नहीं है, इसी तरह की भाषा करना ठीक नहीं है। उनको एकनाथ शिंदे जी को अगर गद्दार बोलना है तो उद्धव ठाकरे जी को बोलना चाहिए। उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने भी मतलब बीजेपी के साथ गद्दारी की थी, तो इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे लफड़े में उन्होंने नहीं पड़ना चाहिए और इसी तरह की किसी की निंदा करने वाले गाने गाना ठीक नहीं है।
कि इस देश में सबको बराबर का न्याय मिलना चाहिए। एक तो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन देता है और एक आर्टिस्ट अगर कुछ बोलता है तो उसके ऑफिस में जाकर तोड़फोड़ करना ये तो कोई जस्टिफाइड बात नहीं है। वो तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली करेक्ट बात है कि जो कुणाल कामरा ने कहा है वो एक उप मुख्यमंत्री है, उनके बारे में कहा है, ठीक है। लेकिन इस देश में अनेक मुख्यमंत्री हैं, अनेक कैबिनेट मंत्री हैं जो अपना मुंह खोलकर कुछ भी बोलते हैं। इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स अगर मिनिस्टर्स देते हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट पे रहने वाले लोग देते हैं, तो उनके साथ एक न्याय और एक आर्टिस्ट के साथ एक न्याय, ये कहाँ तक जायज है?
बोलने की अभिव्यक्ति ये हमारे संविधान ने दी है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कॉमेडी करें, वहाँ तक तो समझ में आता है। लेकिन अगर वो भारत की संस्कृति, भारत की सभ्यता और भारत के इतिहास के साथ छेड़छाड़ करेंगे तो ऐसे लोगों को कभी माफ़ नहीं किया जाएगा। ये वो लोग हैं जो अपने आर्थिक लाभ के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे, तो लिहाजा कुणाल कामरा जैसे लोग जितने भी हैं इनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
देखिए, पहले तो वो एक कॉमेडियन है, उसका काम है लोगों को हंसाना। अब हंसाते हंसाते कुछ चीज़ें बोली जाती हैं और राजनीतिक आदमी ने ये बहुत सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए। लोगों का मनोरंजन करना ये कोई सज़ा, उस पर कोई सज़ा नहीं हो सकती। फडणवीस जी बोले हैं तो पता नहीं होते मगरमच्छ के आंसू, तो शायद वो उनके बारे में, एकनाथ शिंदे जी के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। मुझे नहीं लगता उन दोनों में बहुत प्यार का मामला कोई है, लेकिन ऐसे कॉमेडियंस को बोलते रहने देना चाहिए।
My colleague Ritwik Bhalekar is tracking all the latest on that. Ritwik, what is the present status with regard to investigations, probe? He's defiant and so is the Mahayuti Sarkar this time. So what are you picking up about the details that will happen in this case now?
See, the zero FIR has been filed in Khar police station in Mumbai, and there are several complaints which are being received against Kunal Kamra's comedy gig, which has an offensive, so-called offensive content against Deputy CM Eknath Shinde. Even in the ongoing Maharashtra budget session, CM Devendra Fadnavis has clarified that this statement made by Kunal Kamra will be taken seriously and he has to face strictest action. So we
All right, Ritwik, we'll be tracking the latest on this. This time, remember, Kunal Kamra is no stranger to controversy. He's often made statements or some of his actions that have led to headlines, controversies and trouble for him too. Now, this time, he made a satire song based on a modified film song that appeared to be a satire against Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, which his supporters have said have been extremely offensive because this has been a man who's emerged from grassroots level and has found public mandate. However, those supporting Kamra say it's freedom of expression that also deserves to be heard. Let's take a look at this report, why and how a comic has landed into political soup.
A satirical take on Maharashtra Deputy CM Eknath Shinde has sparked a Mahavar. At the center of it is stand-up comic Kunal Kamra, who referred to Shinde as a traitor, mocking his beginnings as an auto driver. The joke infuriated the Shiv Sena that went on rampage at Mumbai's Habitat studio. A violent eruption triggered a political face-off, with Maharashtra Chief Minister branding Kunal Kamra as an urban Naxal.
या व्यक्तीला एक प्रकारे कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी तयार करून प्रसिद्धी मिळवण्याचा हव्यास आहे. त्याला अर्बन नक्सल म्हणा, लेफ्ट लिबरल म्हणा, हे सारखेच आहेत की ज्यांचा उद्देश एकच आहे की समाजातल्या मानकांना अपमानित करणं, देशातल्या संस्थांना अपमानित करणं
देशांच्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनवरनं लोकांचा विश्वास उठला पाहिजे अशा प्रकारची वक्तव्य देणं, अशा प्रकारचं काम करणारे जे लोक आहेत यांना कुठल्याही परिस्थितीत सोडता कामा नये. आणि म्हणून या संदर्भात मी सभागृहाला आश्वस्त करतो, कठोरात कठोर कारवाई ही निश्चितपणे केली जाईल.
कुणाल कामरा ने मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ गलत कहा है. गद्दारों को गद्दार करना ये किसी पर हमला करने की बात नहीं है. जो गद्दार है वो गद्दार है. अभिव्यक्ती वगैरे सत्य बोलणं हा अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्याचा हल्ला होऊ शकत नाही, हे सत्य आहे. आणि आम्ही तो उघड बोलतोय की हे गद्दार आहेत, त्याच्यामुळे हा अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्य आलं कुठे आहे.
Soon the Mumbai civic body was at Kunal Kamra's Comic Act venue.
The demolition of the Habitat studio is going over there, as we cannot see this because the studio is inside on the first floor. So definitely we have to see that where this Kunal Kamra whole controversy over the comedy goes and where it ends.
The controversy has reignited the debate over free speech and intolerance.
It's very clear based on the language that they have used that they are not comedians, but they are paid agents of UBT. And this despite the fact that Maharashtra and the country have repeatedly rejected these parties for their entitled monarchistic ways. So these people will never learn.
3 तासाच्या इंटरनॅशनल पॉडकास्टमध्ये मोदी साहेबांनी हे पण म्हटलंय की क्रिटिसिझम इज अन इसेन्शियल पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. आणि मग त्यांचे मित्रपक्ष असे वागतात. पण चला हेही एक मिनिटं बाजूला ठेवलं तरी नक्की का एकनाथ शिंदेच्या गँगला राग आला आहे? काल त्यांच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी सिद्ध केलेलं आहे की चोर आणि गद्दार म्हणजे एकनाथ शिंदे आहे.
There is already an FIR against Kunal Kamra and the Mahayuti government has launched a full probe. The stand-up comics, call detail records and bank account details will be scrutinized. The state government is also going to investigate who is behind the satire on Eknath Shinde. With Ritvik Bhalekar and Dipesh Tripathi in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.